Alright, so the first fan is in. And this is the general hole where all the wires will come up from the back. It's nice and clean. I've drilled these holes and threaded them, so I've got nails into them.
Ta-da! Oh, it fits perfectly too.
Yeah.
So mathematically smart thing.
It'll... Alright, so this is your new computer. Alright, so this is Epic PC Cases. This is the project build canvas, and it's so my girlfriend can go and stick a whole bunch of sticker photos all around the computer. Extractor fan, 140mm extractor fan up here, and this is the front of the case. Looking in, you got the hard drive. Everything's pretty packed down there. We have a fan here putting air into the case. The power supply. And everything's fitting nicely in there.
What?
No worries.
It's not even loud.
I know, it's quiet.